Today, we'll be installing the new Daction 360S DC5000A Drive Action camera. To install the camera, first thing we'll need is to have a micro SD card, which you will need to purchase separately from RAZO. Today we have a 128GB micro SD, but they also come in 32 and 64GB as well. To insert the memory card, open the micro SD access cover on the side of the camera. Here's the slot where you will insert the memory card. Insert the memory card with the gold circuit board facing up and press until it clicks. Then press the cover back securely into place. On the bottom side of the camera, you'll see a small blue lever. You'll need to switch this to the open position to unlock it. Remove this piece and keep it in a safe place. Insert the included capacitor into the camera and switch the lever to the lock position. There's only one direction that it'll fit into the camera body, so this part is pretty straightforward and easy. The capacitor is important to ensure that in case of a disruption of power or at shutdown, the footage is saved correctly. Next, we'll need to locate the side with the screw hole and guide hole. Take the mount and match up the two holes. The screw hole and guide hole are pretty distinct, so there's only one way the mount could be attached. Align the corresponding holes and turn the knob to tighten the mount to the camera. Once you have that done, use the included hex key to adjust the mounting bracket so that it is in the approximate mounting position. Now would be a good time to download the smartphone app if you have not already done so. Make sure to download the Daction 360S app for this camera. You can then connect your camera to your smartphone via the built-in wireless LAN and will be able to properly adjust your camera to the correct recording angle while watching the real-time view from the phone app. When positioning the camera, you'll want to make sure the three buttons are facing you and that the camera is placed within the upper 20% portion of the windshield. Once you find the optimal position, use the included windshield wipes to clean your windshield, then remove the backing of the double-sided mounting tape and securely mount the camera to the windshield. Make sure to allow 24 hours for the mount to fully set. Once you have the camera at your desired location, use the hex key to tighten the mount and secure the camera in place. Using the power cable that's provided, connect the correct end of the power cable to the camera and the USB end to the power socket, which then goes into the cigarette lighter receptacle. The kit comes with a long enough cable so that you can route it cleanly around your dash and windshield. Depending on how you decide to run the cable in your vehicle, you can tuck the cables out of the way and use the provided mounting clips to help keep the wire secure. Once you have everything mounted, all you have to do is turn on the car. The camera will automatically record every time you start the car. For additional information, you can also go to the RAZO-USA.com website. There you will find user manuals, app download, and a detailed FAQ section.